All right, hey guys. Today, it's like day 40 something of quarantine, and I'm super going crazy here. So, I decided to make a little video of elephant toothpaste. I would say you guys can do this, at home. However, I don't know if it's super safe. It tells me to wear goggles. So as you can see, I had some from school. Maybe if you guys have some sort of goggles in the garage that somebody uses to like cut wood or something, those would work too. So if you want to do this at home, it's kind of cool. This is the first time me doing it. So if it's a complete fail, I apologize ahead of time. So my microwave was going off because I was warming up water. So what it says to do is, first thing is first, to get a half a cup, like by Mickey. This is already measured as a half a cup, kind of hard to see, but it says it there, of hydrogen peroxide. So I just got this at Jewel Osco. It's like $1 for the whole thing. So I'm gonna fill all of this up. Spilled a little bit. My half cup of hydrogen peroxide. Sometimes you might already have it at your house. Again, this also says to find a space where you're not like scared it's gonna go everywhere. So I'm really, really hoping that it's not gonna go everywhere. I have like this cooking form thing that I make brownies in sometimes, so let's just hope. I also have an empty plastic water bottle. I just cut the top off of it. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the hydrogen peroxide in there. Okay, then it says to grab some dish soap, any good old dish soap, and give it a good squeeze. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's good. Swirl it a little bit. Try not to create that many bubbles right now. We don't want to get rid of those suds. I'm really scared that this is gonna go everywhere, but that's okay. Now you can, it's an option. Since this is already blue, I might add, I don't know, I have some food coloring here. I have blue, yellow, red, and green. I think I'm gonna add some yellow, because I think blue and yellow make green. So I'm just gonna add some on the side. Maybe this is orange, it kind of looks orange. To give it that, just a little bit of funk color. You guys can kind of see it's changing. Super cool. Okay, so now for the fun part. You need this like activating yeast. It's like 90 cents for 3 of them. Really hard to find right now though, because people like outbought it because of the pandemic and stuff. However, I was lucky to find a last package somebody like threw somewhere, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. So that's good. I'm grabbing in the microwave. I just took a glass and put water from the sink in it and warmed it up. I put it in there for about a minute. I hope it's not too hot. I'm gonna just put 1 ice cube in there just in case it's too hot, and it'll melt my plastic, but I really doubt it's that hot. So what I wanna do is take a measuring cup like this, or anything that measures, a little bit, okay? And I need to put of this warm water 3 tablespoons. So I'm moving into the cup here, 3 tablespoons, and just want you guys to see it a little better. Bear with me. I wish I was better at taking videos. So that was 1, here's 2, and 3. Okay, so I got 3, I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. 3 tablespoons of warm water. Okay, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this yeast. Okay, so same thing I showed you. I'm gonna pour it in there because my tablespoon's a little bit bigger. It's kind of going all over the place. Okay, and I'm gonna pour it in the water. Okay, and give it a good mix. So hoping that it'll dissolve a little bit. Kind of smells like oatmeal to some, maybe like wet socks to others. No biggie. Okay, so here's the fun and scary part. Give it a good mix. Okay, so I'm gonna put my spoon in here, and now I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. Hopefully it'll work out. Try to transition my camera so you guys can see a little bit better on how this will react. Sorry, technical difficulties here. Of course, you know me. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm going to pour this in pretty fast. And here it goes. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so be careful because it's a little bit hot. But that's so cool that it worked, guys. It's my first time doing it with y'all. It come out like a yellowish color, so it got the color from, ooh, that smells like weird. So like notice I'm not like putting my mouth to it or my face. I'm just kind of like whiffing like soap and feet. That's what it smells like. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's so cool. If you had the opportunity to do it at home, I would. I will put a list of the ingredients below this link here. Bye guys, have a great week.